Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Today we will see question bank 6 in the subject of veterinary medicine. Question 1. Main cause of ringworm in domestic animal. The technical name of ringworm is dermatophytosis. The word derived from dermatophytes. The common dermatophytes that cause the ringworm are Trichophyton and Microsporum fungi. Trichophyton mostly in ruminants, Microsporum mostly in canines, dogs. Question 2. Most commonly drug used for the treatment of babesiosis. Answer is dimenazine acesurate and is popularly named as Barenil. Important question. Question 3. In equines, Hughes is very common. It is called as pulmonary emphysema, or it is also called as recurrent airway obstruction, or RAO, recurrent airway obstruction. It is generally characterized by labored breathing, especially expiratory dyspnea. Sometimes there is double expiration. Now, what is this Hughes? Hughes is a chronic, non-infectious airway conditions of horses, especially more than 6 years of age horses are affected, and it is due to allergic reaction to inhaled particles. Question 4. What is orthotonus? Orthotonus is commonly observed in tetanus. It is a characteristic of tetanus. Orthotonus is a tetanic spasm characterized by muscular rigidity of the all muscles of the body. The body becomes strict and very tight. Body becomes tight with spasms. Question 5, important question. Borborygmus or plural is borborygmi. What is that? As a clinician, one must know this thing. It is a gurgling sound, rumbling or squeaking noise coming from the intestine, from abdomen. It is caused by movement of gas with fluid ingesta through the bowel. Loud borborygmi suggests hypermotility of the intestine. Important question. Question 6. Ketogenic acids in rumen. Which are the acids that are ketogenic? It is also called as ketoacids. In rumen, there are three types of acids are produced: acetic acid, butyric acid, and propionic acid, of which these two, acetate or acetic acid and butyric acid, they are ketogenic, means they form ketone bodies. Question 7. Rothra's test. What is that? Method of detecting ketone in urine. The ketone bodies are either acetone and acetoacetic acid. Administration of medicine cause red color urine. Which are the common medicine? The medicines are phenothiazine and pyridium that causes red color urine. Question 9. Downer cow syndrome. It is generally a complication of periparturient hypocalcemia. It is also called as milk fever that occur in the cow, and the cow which do not fully respond to two consecutive calcium therapy, an animal is unable to get up. It is graded as Downer cow syndrome. It is a calving paralysis after parturition that result in long duration of recumbency due to traumatic injury to tissue and nerves of hind legs and continues to remain down for a long period and may end fatally. Question 10. What is galloperism? Answer is, it is a reduplication of first and second heart sound. The galloperism, the name gallop is come from or derived from gallop. Gallop is a type of walk in the horse. Question 11. Sounds produced in various stages of pericarditis. In early stages, there is no lubricant in the pleura. The pleura are dry in pericarditis. So when the two dry surfaces rub over each other, they produce pericardial friction rub. It is observed with the help of stethoscope in early stages. Then in the second stage or a later stage, there is effusion. At that time, on placing stethoscope, we are hearing tinkling, splashing, or gurgling. That is because of the movement of fluid, due to movement of the heart. In late effusion, when there is more accumulation of fluid, the heart sound cannot be heard. We can say there is muffling of the heart sound. Heart sounds are there, but it is difficult to hear because of the thick layer of the fluid. Question 12. Tiger heart lesions. The name derived from it resembles a stripes on the skin of tiger. You know that black stripe, then yellow stripe, black, yellow, like that. So that is name derived tiger heart lesion. Answer is important question. It occurs in foot and mouth disease virus in calves. The foot and mouth disease virus often causes severe myocardial necrosis in neonates, especially calves, often lead to sudden death from the myocardial failure. So there are strips of anemia, necrosis, that is white strip, and living pink streak like that. So that resembles stripes on the skin of tiger. So name is given tiger heart lesion. Question 13. Epizutic lymphangitis. It is manifested by lymphangitis, inflammation of lymph vessels. In different books, there are different name given. It is considered as pseudoglandus, blastomycosis, or equine histoplasmosis. The etiology is fungi. Name is Histoplasma parsiminosus. Question 14. type of anemia in anaplasmosis, babesiosis, and bacillary hemoglobinuria. These parasites, anemia, anaplasmosis, and this bacteria, it causes lysis of RBC. So it causes a hemolytic anemia. And on microscopic examination, there is macrocytic hypochromic anemia. Macrocytic means RBC larger in size. The immature RBC, reticulocytes, are larger in size, so macrocytic. But hemoglobin is less, so hypochromic. Question 15. Antidiuretic hormone. What is its function? In short, it is ADH. ADH stimulates water resorption from the distal tubule and collecting tubule of the kidney tubules. So it helps in maintaining the water balance and blood pressure and osmotic pressure of the fluid. Question 16. Etiology of bovine pyelonephritis. Answer is a bacteria, Corynebacterium renale, causes pyelonephritis. Question 17. What is nephrosis? Frequently we come across the words nephrotic, nephrosis, and nephritis. Nephritis means inflammation of the kidney tubules and kidney structures. And what is nephrosis? It is a purely degenerative disease of the renal tubules. So it is a degenerative disease. It is a non-inflammatory disease of the kidney. There is no inflammation, but degeneration is there. Important question. Question 18. Relation between urolithiasis and vitamin. Answer is deficiency of vitamin A causes urolithiasis, or excess of vitamin D causes urolithiasis. Deficiency of vitamin A causes necrosis of the epithelium, and that form the nidus. And around this nidus, the salts are deposited. Other thing is excess of vitamin D. Excess of vitamin D causes deposition of calcium, and it increases the size of urolithiasis. Question 19. Common site of obstructive urolithiasis at sigmoid flexure in which animal? So one is site of obstructive urolithiasis, not only simple urolithiasis, it is an obstructive urolithiasis. So where they can cause obstruction? At the sigmoid flexure. In which animal? The animals are bull, ram, and camel. Question 20. Major types of epilepsy. Epilepsy are classified in many books in many ways. But these seizures are generally grouped into two groups, two major groups. One is a generalized seizure, means the origin is whole brain and involve the whole body. And focal seizures means origin in some part of the brain and particular part is involved. The difference between the types of seizure is in how and where they begin in the brain. Question 21, important question. Polioencephalomalacia, popularly known as PEM, polioencephalomalacia. What is that? It is a cerebrocortical necrosis. It is called as CCN. It is a necrosis of the gray matter of the brain, the outer part of the brain. It is a neurological disease mostly seen in ruminants. It is caused by multiple factors, but one of the important factor is thiamine deficiency. An injection or supplement of the thiamine causes improvement in polioencephalomalacia. Question 22. Diseases due to deficiency of calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D. The triple calcium, phosphorus, vitamin are triplets. They cause rickets in young animal and osteomalacia in adult animals. Question 23. What is seborrhea? It is excessive discharge or secretion of sebum from the sebaceous gland of skin. Question 24. Angioneurotic edema. What is that? Angioneurotic edema causes allergic reaction and usually occurs around eyes and lips, but can be found at any place in the body, several locations in the body. So what is that angioneurotic edema? It is a sudden swelling below the skin surface, means it is a subcutaneous swelling and can be painful or itchy. Urticaria or hives may develop simultaneously. It is a allergic reaction. Last question, 25. Lesion of ringworm. Ringworm technically it is called as dermatophytosis. We have seen the cause is Trichophyton microsporum. But what type of characteristic lesion? The lesions are scaly, crusted rash, red in color. Lesions are characteristically round, that's why ring. The lesions are ring-like red patches with a healing in the center. So the center portion is normal and the fungi grows peripherally. So the lesions are just like a ring on the skin. Other symptoms are also observed. Patches of hair loss or itching and blister-like lesions are also observed. But most commonly, the lesions are ring-like with a healing in the center. Dear friends, share this information to the veterinarian who are giving the examination for the interview purpose, for the selection purpose. To support and promote channel, requested to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for observing the video. Next time I will come with question bank number 7 in the subject of veterinary medicine. Thank you very much.